Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So my location is in Mountainside, St. Elizabeth. So I was requested to do this video on place them calling Parkley. So I will take it from the Mountainside area, take you all to Parkley. At least so you have an understanding how Mountainside set up. I know a lot of people come to Mountainside area, even going to Black River. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Yeah man, you see the farm store if you don't want to farm product for all your farm supplies and household liquid. Yeah man, you can check out the farm store in a Mountainside. Yeah man, so Mountainside, a place, very nice place. So if you are going to Black River from Burn Savannah area, you're gonna drive through Mountainside. So I will take you back onto the main road. And remember, try to know Jamaica as much as possible, because sometimes we're up on the road, sometimes there can be an accident. So sometimes I have to detour on some roads, so no try and know them place here, you know. I think right here is the Mountainside Square area. So remember, I'm taking you all to the Parkley area. Yeah man, so big up all the people that I watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. Thanks for taking a tour here with your True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. Big up yourself, Desireen. I know a lot of people. I remember them pump here. Them old time pump here. So them things are still there in Jamaica same way. This is what we see in Jamaica. Them old time diesel pump here. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. As you can see the price for gas in Jamaica right here. So for unleaded gas, 87, which is $218.20, and super 90, $226.30, and also diesel $211. Yeah man, so you know the cost of gas in Jamaica. Gas is very expensive. So when I come to Jamaica, you don't know, so you have to buy a lot of gas. Alright, along across from this gas station, you also have the Mountainside Post Office and also a farm store. Yeah man, so try and know them area. So I'm gonna take you to Parkley right now. So big up to the person who requested for this video to go to Parkley area. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. So we're having some nice weather today. Very sunny. Few days back we have a lot of rain. Yeah man, rain all over the place. So in the comment section you also can leave where you're watching from. so we can communicate. We can, you never can tell, you would be the lucky one to get a shout out in the next video. You know, say this channel is all about touring Jamaica. You will see a lot of different areas. Cause some people say they know Jamaica, you know, but them don't know Jamaica like that, you know. So if you'd make the right turn, it will take you all to the Treasure Beach area. And also Watchwell, Success can take you back right to Junction. Also this road can take you back to Junction also. So when you're in this area, you can get a nice mountain view up in the Malvern area, Monroe, them place there. So you can, if you ever heard about Monroe, Malvern, that's where you have some cool climates. Very cool climate there. As you can see, the road condition, yeah man, them road I want to fix. Whole heap of pothole. So if you now come through this area, look out for them pothole. Don't want you to chop any tire because tire is very expensive. And sometimes when you chop a tire, you know, say you have to go fix your front end also. You only look out your front end. And remember to keep Jamaica clean. Yeah man, nobody throw on garbage on the road. So what do you think about this area? So we are very close to the Mountainside Methodist Church. So if you is a Methodist person, you have a Methodist church in the Mountainside area. So this is the Methodist church. As you all can know, as you can see, the construction of the church, know them old time church here. Yeah man, so when you see them building here, you know say way back in the days them church built up. Say all who remember going to this church, if you're watching the video, remember to give the video a big thumbs up, free of cost. So I will make this left turn right here, which will take us to Yeah man, so this is the Parkley area. So you all can tell me how Parkley look. Look at the nice mountain view. Very, very nice mountain view in Parkley area. Also, this area is also a farming area. So big up all of the farmer them, big up all of the farmer them. So if I see any land for sale in this area, I will let you all know. Any land for sale, I will let you all know. I will keep you all posted. Telling us that Jamaica nice, you know. Oh, Jamaica nice with people. Our beautiful island, Jamaica. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.